Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another luxurious hair tutorial. So this wig is from Myqualityhair. It is their 4C Edges natural hair wig. I have it in the kinky curly texture, 13x6 lace frontal, 150% density, and I also have it in 22 inches. Now the lace in particularly is a HD medium brown lace, so it's able to melt beautifully, and as you guys can see, it looks extremely natural. So if you want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then just continue to watch. Alright, so I just gave you guys a quick unboxing just so you guys know the hair does come with instructions on how to care for this hair, because look how coily this hair is, and also those 4C edges are super thick as well. So it's definitely important that you look at those instructions, that way you know exactly how to handle the hair in itself. But the wig is actually beautiful, extremely natural looking. So once again, this is from Myqualityhair. I have their 4C Edges natural hair wig, a 13x6 lace front. The texture is kinky curly, 150% density, 22 inches, medium cap size, and medium brown HD lace. The wig does come with those adjustable elastic bands so that I'm able to secure the wig, make sure it's nice and tight. And I'm over here laughing because I did not realize how thick those edges were until I put it on my head and how coily that hair is. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get the wig secured, make sure I like the way it fits on my head. Then I'm going to cut off all that additional lace that I do not need, as well as comb out some of those edges as well. Now I'm just using my Ebin adhesive spray. I love to use the red bottle. I'm going in with about maybe like 2 rounds of that spray, waiting until it gets tacky, and then I'm going to lay that lace down. Alright, so the lace part was super easy. Now it is time to tackle this hair. Now, although it is 150% density, the hair is super coily. Therefore, I really wanted to work on this hair in sections and really drench it in water before I did anything else to it. The coils in this hair is absolutely beautiful, but they're just a little bit too tight for me. So I wanted to stretch them out just a little bit, and I'm using the raking method with my hand. I'm using my natural hair terminology. You guys know I am a natural. So I treat the wig just as it was my natural hair. I'm just going in with my fingers, finger detangling, just stretching out those curls so that it's not too tight. Once the hair was drenched enough with water and I finger detangled as much as I could, that's when I went in with my detangling brush just to really help stretch out those curls even more. That way I really have that natural afro type of look, you know? And I did the same thing to both sides. Alright, the elastic band is off. Obviously the lace melted super easily, so I was not really too worried about that part. That was the easiest part. So right now I'm using my Ruby Kisses foundation and tapping down on the lace just so the lace could look a little bit more like my skin color and blend in with the rest of my makeup as well. Alright you guys, so now it's time to work on these edges. Although I love the natural edges look and they definitely gave me 4C edges, it was a little bit too thick for me. The good thing is that the way that they designed this lace is that it has about like 6 inches before it gets to the actual wig hairline, which is why this wig is considered pre-plucked, and it also came pre-bleached as well, just so you guys know. So what I did was I kind of separated the edges. I basically separated it in the middle. I left some out and I also pushed some of it back, majority of it back actually. Then I slicked it down with my wax stick and then I went in with my hot comb so that the edges that I pushed back blended in with the rest of the curls. So that's how my edges are looking right now. Trust the process because we're going to add some mousse later on so that I can get those curls back, especially on the edges. I want those to be curly as well. So after this, I decided to give myself a middle part, and then I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb so that I could slick down the hair at the top of my head because I didn't want it to look too bulky. Alright, this is where we're at. Big difference from the beginning, right? So right now I'm just adding some makeup to that middle part, making sure everything blends nice and easily, and then I'm going to style the hair. Once again, I'm just going in with some water and some mousse from SheaMoisture, and that's all I really needed in regards to this hair because the coils were extremely tight. You did not need any product, and because this hair is so full and the coils were so tight, I don't recommend putting heavy products in this hair as well. I only recommend mousse whenever it comes to kinky curly wigs. All right, you guys, we are done. This is the final look. Fun fact, I went to my mom's house right after this and she was actually shocked that this was a wig because she thought it was my natural hair. So if that doesn't tell you everything you need to know, I don't know what to tell you, sis. All the information will be listed at the very top of the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you to My Quality Hair for sponsoring today's video. If you guys love you some kinky curly wigs, make sure you check them out.